everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. How to all our friends listening today? It is great to be back here with you.
It really is. I am so happy to see you, Allie. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little bit tired, but I am happy.
Tired? Oh no. Why are you tired? Is it work?
No, it is not work today. It is exercise.
Exercise? Wow, that is good.
Yes, I went to the gym this morning, very early.
Oh, I see. Early morning exercise is hard. What did you do?
I tried a new class. It was yoga.
Yoga? That is fantastic. Yoga is very relaxing.
Relaxing, Sarah? It was not relaxing for me. It was very hard. My legs are tired, my arms are tired, everything hurts.
Oh, Allie, the first time is always the hardest, but it is good for you.
I know. I want to be healthy. And you, Sarah, how are you? Are you tired too?
No, I am full of energy today. I had a very relaxing morning. I just drank coffee and read a book.
That sounds perfect. No yoga for you.
No yoga today, just coffee.
But before we tell our story, Sarah, we should ask our listeners something important.
Yes, good idea. Everyone, if you like listening to our conversations, please click the like button. It is the small thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And remember to subscribe to Fluent Vibes English Podcast. We have new episodes for you every week.
And share this podcast with your friends. English is better with friends.
Exactly. Okay, Sarah. So you are tired from yoga. Wait, no. I am tired from yoga. Did you do anything else this weekend?
Yes, actually. I had a very interesting weekend.
Interesting. That sounds suspicious. Tell me.
Well, on Saturday, I decided to be productive. I wanted to clean my house.
That is good. A clean house feels nice.
Yes, so I washed the dishes, I cleaned the floors, and then I did the laundry.
Okay, washing clothes? That is easy.
I thought it was easy, but I made a mistake. A big mistake.
Oh no, what happened?
I have a new shirt, a bright red shirt. I like it very much.
I think I saw it last week. It is a nice color.
Yes. Well, I put the red shirt in the washing machine.
Okay.
But I also put my white socks and my white t-shirts in the same machine.
Oh, Sarah, no.
Yes, I washed them together with hot water.
Oh my goodness, so what happened to the white clothes?
They are not white now. They are pink. Bright pink.
Pink? You have pink socks now.
Yes, pink socks, pink t-shirts. Even my towels are a little bit pink.
That is so funny. I'm sorry, Sarah, but that is funny.
It is okay to laugh. I laughed too. I looked at my socks and thought, well, pink is a nice color.
It is. You will look very fashionable at the gym.
Maybe, or maybe people will look at me and say, that woman cannot do laundry.
It happens to everyone. I once washed my favorite sweater with hot water.
Did it turn pink?
No, but it got very, very small. It was a sweater for me, but after the wash, it was a sweater for a doll.
Oh no, a tiny sweater.
Yes, I was so sad, but my niece was happy. She put it on her teddy bear.
Oh, that is cute. A well-dressed teddy bear.
Yes, speaking of my niece, I had a busy weekend too.
Really? What did you do?
My sister invited me for dinner on Sunday. It was her husband's birthday.
That sounds lovely. A birthday party. Was there cake?
Yes, there was cake, a big chocolate cake, but the dinner was a little chaotic.
Chaotic? Why?
Well, my sister has a new dog. His name is Max.
Max. That is a strong name. Is he a big dog?
No, he's a puppy. He's very small and very, very fast.
Uh-oh, small and fast. That is a dangerous combination.
Yes, we were all sitting at the table. The food was delicious. We had roast chicken, potatoes, and salad.
I'm hungry now. I love roast chicken.
Me too. So we were talking and laughing. My sister went to the kitchen to get some water. And Max was under the table. We thought he was sleeping, but he was not sleeping.
No.
My sister's husband, Tom, stood up to help my sister. He left his plate on the table.
Oh no, I think I know this story.
Yes, in 1 second, just 1 second, Max jumped onto the chair and then onto the table.
On the table, the bad dog.
Yes, he grabbed a big piece of chicken from Tom's plate.
No, the whole piece?
The whole piece, and he ran away. He ran under the sofa.
He was hungry.
He was very fast. Tom shouted, "Max, my chicken!" But it was too late. Max ate it very quickly.
Oh, poor Tom. No chicken for him.
Well, we gave him some of our chicken, but we laughed a lot. It was a very funny moment.
Animals are funny. They are part of the family, right?
Yes, exactly. Even when they steal our dinner.
So you had a dog thief, and I had pink socks. We have very exciting lives, Allie.
We really do. Real life is full of surprises.
It is.
And work. How was work this week? Is it busy?
It is a little busy. I have a lot of emails to write. I do not like emails.
I understand. Emails can be boring. I prefer talking to people like this.
Me too. Talking is much better. But I have a new colleague at work. Her name is Sarah.
Oh, a new person. Is she nice?
She is very nice, but she is very quiet. She is shy.
It is hard to be the new person. You don't know anyone.
Yes, I am trying to help her. Yesterday, I asked her to have lunch with me.
That is very kind of you, Sarah. Where did you go?
We went to the sandwich shop near the office. You know, the one with the good bread?
Yes, I love that place. Their cheese sandwich is amazing.
Exactly. So we sat down, we started talking, and do you know what?
What?
She loves old movies, just like me.
Really? That is a great connection.
Yes, we talked for 1 hour about old movies. She was not shy anymore. She talked a lot.
That is wonderful. See, you just need to find the right topic.
Yes, now we are friends. It makes work much better.
I agree. Friends at work are important. I have my friend, Mark.
Mark, is he the one with the glasses?
Yes, that is Mark. He is very funny, but he is very clumsy.
Clumsy? What does that mean?
Clumsy means he drops things. He falls down. He has accidents.
Ah, I understand. Like me with the coffee sometimes.
Yes. Well, yesterday, Mark brought a big box of donuts to the office.
Ooh, donuts. I love donuts. Chocolate, yes, chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, many kinds.
He was so happy. He walked into the room and said, "Breakfast is here." And then?
And then he tripped on the carpet.
Oh, no.
Yes!
The box went up in the air. The donuts went everywhere.
Flying donuts.
Yes, it was like rain, raining donuts. One donut hit my computer. One donut landed on a chair.
Oh, poor Mark. Was he okay?
He was okay. He was just embarrassed. His face was red.
Did you eat the donuts?
Well, we practiced the 5-second rule.
The 5-second rule. If it touches the floor for less than 5 seconds, it is okay.
Exactly. We picked them up very fast. They were still delicious.
You are brave, Allie, eating floor donuts.
Hey, it's chocolate. I cannot say no to chocolate.
I understand completely. So, Allie, what are your plans for next week? More yoga?
I think I will try yoga again. I want to improve. I don't want to be tired forever.
Good for you. Never give up.
And I need to buy new white socks because mine are pink.
Yes, that is a good plan. Don't wash them with the red shirt.
I learned my lesson. No red shirts with white socks. I promise.
And what about the weekend? Any big plans?
I think I would just relax. Maybe watch a movie, since you talked about movies with Sarah. Now I want to watch one.
Oh, nice. What kind of movie? Action? Comedy?
Maybe a comedy. I like to laugh. What about you?
I am going to the supermarket on Saturday morning. I need to buy food for the week.
The supermarket on Saturday morning. Sarah, you are brave. It is very crowded.
I know, lots of people, but my fridge is empty. I have no food, only ketchup and water.
Ketchup soup is not a good dinner.
No, it is not. So I must go. I will make a list, a big list.
Don't forget to buy treats for yourself. Maybe some cookies.
Oh, definitely cookies. And maybe some apples to be healthy.
Apples and cookies. Ideally balanced.
Yes, life is all about balance. Yoga and donuts, apples and cookies.
I like your philosophy, Sarah.
Thank you, Ali. You know, talking with you always makes my day better. I forget about my tired legs, and I forget about my stressful emails.
That is why we love our chats, yes. And we hope you, our listeners, love our chats too. It is great to practice listening to real conversations, not just textbook English.
Exactly. Real stories about dogs, laundry, and flying donuts, the important things in life.
Well, Sarah, I think our time is running out.
Oh, time flies. It is time to say goodbye.
But before we go, we have a question for everyone listening.
Yes, we want to know, do you have a funny story about a pet like my sister's dog Max? Or do you have a laundry disaster? Did you turn your clothes pink like me?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Yes, please write to us. It is great practice for your writing skills.
And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Vibes English Podcast for more conversations and share this with your family and friends. Maybe share it with your clumsy friend.
Yes. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you. Have a wonderful week. Good luck with your laundry and good luck with your yoga.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.